Hello, this is Robert Del Garbino from ICS. Today we're going to learn how to create a filter using VTiger CRM or VTiger CRM Plus Service, our customized module for service companies. Filters in VTiger are very powerful. They can be used to slice and dice the way you view your screen in many ways. Use your imagination, that's the limit. For some of our purposes, we want to look at open sales orders. We call them pending sales orders. We can look at them all, as this filter provides, or we can look at them broken down by particular users. Perhaps we want to see all the ones that are assigned to Craig. Well, he's completed all his sales orders or work orders. We use the term synonymously here. Let's see, does April have any? No. Does Raj have any? Yes, he does. So we can see all of the open sales orders Raj has and is working on, or should be working on. Let's go to the pending sales orders. I'm the master dispatcher and I want to see the status of my sales orders. And here I see the status column. Well, this one's waiting on parts. This is approved. Wonder what the status is of that order. Let's look at it. I can click on it. It opens it. In the description, it should tell me what's going on. If it doesn't, perhaps that means the person responsible for that, which is, who's this been assigned to? The demo user. They haven't gotten to it yet. Now I can adjust the assignment. I should have assigned it to Raj so that he knows he needs to work on it, because Raj will come in there and open up his sales orders. Raj will come in and look at assigned to and he'll see, oh, I have another sales order to work on. And then he'll get to work on it. We can also send that sales order to him via email. Let's get back to filters. What if I want to see all the pending sales orders? How does that work? Well, we can go in here and create a new filter. Let's do that. Here's a new filter. We can name it Pending Sales Orders. We'll call that number 2. Perhaps that's the filter I want to see every time I click on Sales Orders. I could set this as a default. I could list it in my metrics out on the home page by selecting this. I can choose the columns that it's showing. Let's see, I've got the subject, the contact name, the account, who it's assigned to, billing and shipping. What if I wanted to see some custom field I created? How about the engineer number 1? Is there anything else I might want to see? Yeah, a description. What's going on with that sales order? What else might I want to see here? Whatever field's available to us, we can pick. How about a contact phone number for the customer in case I have to call them and let them know or have questions? We just have to locate that field and select it. There it is, contact phone. And perhaps instead of the billing address, I'd like to see the due date. There it is, due date. Now, that'll show my columns in the fields. Let's save that and have a look. See where we're at so far. Pending sales orders too. Look, we have that due date, that engineer, and the contact phone numbers for easy reference. Say I wanted to edit this or delete it. I could select these items, but let's edit it. Let's go in and make sure that we're actually seeing the pending orders. How do we do that? We go to the Advanced Filters section, and we would select the status, and we would set that equal to, let's see, or rather not equal to, invoiced. Let's save that. What other statuses do we not want to see for pending orders? Well, let's see. Approved closed is another one. Invoiced or closed is our selections. The other ones are pending. Something has to be done to them. Well, this is a way to form your workflow process. Let's go back to our sales order and add invoiced, comma, closed is how we add a second field. If you read this information here, it shows you that example. You can add additional rules. This is how we create filters. You can go by date if you like. You can go by a time period. But what we typically do here is our status. We want to know the pending sales orders so that at a glance I can look and see how many open orders I have. Find out if somebody's working on them or not. Change their status if parts have been received. That kind of thing. Another valuable way to use filters is with marketing. For example, if we go into our quotes and we don't seem to have any here, so scratch that. I will open a new database. Stand by. Scratch that. For example, I can open the quotes area and I'm looking at all the quotes. What if I wanted to filter that by user? I can create a new filter. View name is, well, let's find out who our users are. Admin is a user here. I know that. Let me set that as my default window. And let's see, assigned to would be admin. And I could put in any other information I'd want to see. Maybe the total of that quote. Maybe the date of next the contact name. That could be good. The contact phone number. Whatever information we want to put in there, we can create a custom field, have that information in, and then see it. How about the quote stage? That's a good one to view. Well, contact name cannot be duplicated. It will throw an error if you make a mistake. Who it's assigned to is already in there. The modified time, if you want to track the last time this was looked at and changed, you can. These are advanced filters. And what we want to do is filter out anyone who is not the admin. So let's look toward the assigned to, and that must be equal to admin. Let's save that filter. Now, this filters out all the quotes that have been assigned to admin. Makes it very easy to change the view for your purposes. You could see all the open quotes, maybe the ones that were rejected, maybe all, maybe the admin quotes. This will allow your users, and each user can set their own default window so that they can go in and see the quotes that they have assigned to them. Now in the Service Plus module, you get extra features. These extra features will allow you to have information fields like next step, date of next step, and ways that you can click on the top and sort them by date of next step. It's really handy and really lets your people work freely. Lets them work more productively. If you'd like to have custom filters created and you don't want to deal with them yourself, please contact us. We've got a great system. The CRM Plus service system is very fine. This is our basic filtering process. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us. Here's our information. This has been Robert Del Garbino for How to Create a Filter with VTiger CRM.